guys, good evening. MaryAnn with AutoHaus of Naples, and tonight I have not a used car, basically a brand new car for you. It is a 2017 Mercedes-Benz AMG GLE63 SUV. This baby has so much power. It's so beautiful. Like I said, it is new, so it's never been titled or owned by anyone. And on the interior, we have the stunning dark chocolate brown Diseño. It is an espresso brown black exclusive Napa leather. And on the exterior, we have the 799 paint code Diseño diamond white metallic. You also have the AMG carbon fiber and black piano lacquer throughout this car. It is such a stunning combination to see when you sit in this car. And of course, the seats are so comfortable. You have the multi-contour front seats with a massage feature, and in fact that was an option. And of course the Diseño black headliner as well. And you can see the AMG illuminated sills, the running boards there, keyless entry and keyless go, and the nice large 21-inch AMG cross spoke wheels with the large brake calipers. There's your Mercedes-Benz lighting system, and it's just such a bold look, such a strong look. It's a handcrafted engine. I can't wait to show it to you guys, and really you can't get much better than this. It's a huge savings. And here we have your handcrafted AMG 5.5 liter V8 bi-turbo engine. It produces 550 horsepower with 516 foot-pounds of torque. It is connected to an AMG automatic transmission. You do have paddle shifting options as well, however. I think I just rolled the odometer over to 104 miles, if I'm correct. We'll see that in just a moment. But it's just such a cool car to have. I do have the window sticker. Like I said, it's over $113,000, almost 12 grand in options alone. It is just a huge savings for you if you were to purchase this car. It's, like I said, brand new, and it's what, about $25,000 off?
Yeah, probably.
Just about. Yeah, something like that. So
only for the right buyer.
Yeah. So it's such an awesome savings and buy. You can't really get much better than that. Your quad AMG exhaust, when it starts up, it gives that rumble of the AMG sound. I love it. And of course you have your automatic closing as well. And I will show you guys the window sticker on the interior. Love the sound of that exhaust. 115 miles. I don't even know how to say that. 115 miles. Doesn't even make sense. Yep, that's it, because obviously it's a brand new car. Check out the window sticker. We have, originally it would be $101,690, but there's so many upgrades or options, equipment options, that it's $113,975. So what, 12,000 almost, and or a little more in equipment options. There's your 799 Diseño diamond white metallic, the espresso brown black exclusive Napa leather interior, AMG carbon fiber black piano lacquer. That's a $1,750 upgrade. Wow. AMG performance exhaust, and that is definitely true. It is so cool sounding, but you know, I have to be careful because we only have 115 miles and it's not broken in yet. Your multi-contour front seats with massage feature, power tilt sliding panoramic roof, 3-zone automatic climate control, Diseño black Dynamica headliner, 21-inch AMG cross spoke wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, heated rear seats, magic vision control, and illuminated kit for running boards, and whatever the destination and delivery is.
Let's go.
Yes. Let's do this. Let's see what 550 horsepower is all about. There's your amazing backup camera. You can change the view. It's a 180-degree view, and then you can actually go over and see your 360 view. So it is great. If you need to see what's in front of you, you can always throw the cameras on and still be able to see that. That's how I pulled in with it earlier as well. See, there's the gate, and there's the whole view of the vehicle. You have your heated and your cooled seats. Of course, the obvious, your navigation, which I'll show you. Here's your shortcut buttons right here. And you can always zoom in and out with the navigation.
You have live traffic too in this car.
Which, unless it has live traffic, I always kind of giggle when people are worried about navigation. Because without the live traffic, it's really not worth anything to me. That's a personal thing. It does help you park. So when this P turns on up here, it's letting you know that it's going to help you find a parking spot. I know it's hard to see with the lighting. Your full panoramic right there. Love that. This interior is actually incredibly comfortable. I mean, and the cold seats are actually cold seats. Oh, let me turn this off before I get all upset later. And your parking sensors, you can turn those off, but I always say that's not a good idea, especially whenever I see you guys driving around town. Your AMG sports steering wheel here with your paddle shifters. Obviously, it is a multifunctional steering wheel as well. Here's your contouring seats, and you do have your massage options, and you can see that up here. Your three-way climate control. It's an automatic climate control, so 1 and 2 for your front passengers, and then you also have the climate control for those who sit in the back, and they also have their heated seats. Check out the carbon fiber. I mean, it's a brand new car. It's flawless. It's perfect. It's
Thank God it's flawless.
$25,000 in savings. I mean, you really, yeah, right. How could it not be flawless, right? With 115 miles, and I think I've driven 35 of those.
Yeah, 30 probably.
Yeah, so
Too many.
I know, but how could you not? It's such a fun vehicle to drive, and it's sporty and it's fast.
550 horsepower.
50 horsepower.
But we can't accelerate, that's the problem.
I know.
Here's all your suspension settings, by the way.
Comfort.
We're in comfort mode
Did you
right
just
now.
change it over?
No, we
Sport.
have it on comfort on this road here
And
because
Sport Plus.
it's so bad.
When you change it over to Sport Plus, it actually, you can hear the exhaust change, so it starts to rumble louder, which is awesome. Oh, and you can
Both keys are here, hot and cold.
keep your drinks cold or help keep them warm. Love it. And there's your piano lacquer finish right here, which doesn't really show up very well on the camera. So
Do a little run
a little bit,
for the exhaust sound.
but not too much. Well, it's hard to do a little bit.
Just great sounding.
Yeah, it really is. I'm going to pop open the sunroof and see if you guys can hear the exhaust a little bit better. Just one more time.
Go for it.
I can't wait till I get one of these that's broken in so I can really drive it. Yes, you don't want to miss out.
SUV.
Yep, I've never been titled. Harman Kardon stereo.
Full warranty, 4 years.
Yes, the warranty just started. Oh, did you hear the exhaust pump? Blind spot assist as well. If you guys have any questions about this AMG, give us a call, 239-263-8500. It's a huge savings. You have over $113,000 window sticker. Never been titled, so basically brand new car. AutoHausNaples.com will have the listing photos, and of course, if you guys don't know by now, my name's MaryAnn. I sell the cars in the dealership and I showcase them for you as well. And I will see you on the next one.